kids, welcome back. I hope you all are doing well. So in the last video we had started HCF, that is highest common factor, and in that video I had told you about listing the common factors method, right? I will take one more example of this method so that it will be easier for you, but this time I'm going to take three numbers. That means you have to find the HCF of these three numbers, and I am also going to tell you about this method, means prime factorization. This method we had discussed that how to find prime factorization, but today we are going to learn by prime factorization how we will find our HCF. Okay, so let's start. So this is the question that we have to find HCF of 48, 64 and 144. So firstly, find the factors of 48, 64 and 144. That means you have to find the numbers in which these on which table these number comes. Like I'll tell you how. Okay students, so here I have written factors of 48. Means you have to write the numbers in which table 48 comes. Like on one's table 48 is there, right? On two's table 48 is there. So you can say that you have to find the number by which 48 is completely divisible. You can say it like this way also. So next, find the factors. Done. I have written factors of 64 here and factors of 144 here. Okay, now so find a common factor. 1 is common here, 2, 2, 2, 4, 4, 4, 8, 8, 8, 16, 16, 16. Any other number is common? No. So these are the common factors. Now for HCF, we have to see the greatest number, and greatest number is, yes, 16. So your HCF is 16. So like this, you can do all the question in which they ask you to find the HCF using listing the common factors method, right? Good. Now let's go to the next topic. Next topic is prime factorization, means find HCF by using prime factorization. Let's begin. So we have to find HCF by prime factorization, right? So I have already told you prime factorization means writing a number as a product of its prime factors. Again repeating, prime factorization means writing a number as product of its prime factors. Prime factors we have to find, and then we'll go for the common factors, then we'll go for the HCF. Okay, let's start this question. Now the question is, find the HCF of 48 and 144 by using prime factorization method. So firstly, find the prime factors using the division method, which I had told you in the previous video. So firstly, we will draw two lines like that and we will write 48. Now always start with the least prime number that can divide this number exactly, like without remainder. So we can, and this is even number, so I can start by 2. If I divide 48 by 2, I'll be getting 24, right? Next, again it is an even number divided by 2, so I'll be getting 12. Now 12. Again even numbers divided by 2. If I divide 12 by 2, I'll be getting 6. Again it is even number, so go by 2. I'll be getting 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 is a prime number. I will divide 3 by 3. I'll be getting 1, right? Now I have written prime factors of 48 here. 2, 2, 2, 2 and 3. We will not write 1 here. Next, find prime factors of 144 here. It is an even number, right? Start by 2. So if I divide 144 by 2, I'll be getting 72, right? Next, again even number, you can do it by 2. If I divide it, I'll be getting 36, right? 36 to 72. Next, again even number, divided by 2, 18. Again even number, do it by 2. So if I divide 18 by 2, I'll be getting 9. Next, 9 is not even number, so we have to jump to the next number, that is 3. Try by 3. Yes, it can be divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9. Next, 3 is a prime number, so it will go on 3 only 1. So these are the factors of 144. Write prime factors. 2, 2, 2, 2, 3 and 3. Okay, you can check also if your answer is correct. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to 16, 16 3s are 48. Similar with this, you can multiply this number and you will definitely gonna get 144. If you are not getting, that means something is wrong, and try this whole method again. Now go for the common factor. You have to find common factor. Okay, common factor, 2, again 2, this to this, this to this, this to this, this to this, 3, right? So these all are common factor. Write the common factor here now. 2, 2, 2, 2, 3. See, 1 2, another 2, another 2, another 2, and last one is 3. Now the thing is, in this method, at the last, and you will get your factors, students, you have to multiply all these numbers. Okay, multiply these numbers and then you will get your HCF. Let's do it. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. So our HCF is 48, and this is your answer. Suppose you are not able to multiply it like this way, so you can go for vertical way also, like 2 2s are 4, then multiply 4 by 2, like this way. Okay, it's very easy, students. Firstly, find the prime factorization of 48 and 144, correct? Then find the common factors and then multiply all the common factors and you will get your HCF. So like this way, please try all the questions, and if you have any problems, send the queries to me. I will be very happy to help you with that.